And here you have the master hunter. Did you get him?
What are you doing?
I got cold and I'm trying to find our winter stuff, but I can't tell what anything is.
The weather that is coming up with the hurricanes along the coast have changed everything. The wind's going to be out of the northeast at 30 to 35 and making the crossing of the Albemarle Sound, well, tricky. We don't want to, tricky. We don't want to do it.
Yeah.
Tune in next week. We'll make that decision and decide which way to go. We go north, we go south. Yeah.
Good morning.
Go past us, okay? Yep, we're good. Where you are. Take a little shove off. Give us a little, just a little shove off.
Y'all are going the wrong way. Good morning.
Thanks, guys. Perfect.
Thank you.
Well, we've really enjoyed Belhaven. It's been a great town. You enjoy it?
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. The little downtown area, the restaurants are unbelievable. Great food, yes.
Yeah, so it's been a great stay. But although we were stranded in Oriental, we're heading back to Oriental. This is as far north as we're going to go, and now we're going to go ahead and start heading south towards Florida.
We may venture to the Outer Banks. We're not sure. We need to talk to some local people and see what they think of us going over there. Yeah.
Got us a little company on the way. One of the resident boats from Oriental, heading that way. Got a parade going today. We got another trawler coming up behind us. They'll pass us because we're slow. What a beautiful morning. I mean, just beautiful. Beautiful sunrise. The weather's not too cold. It's nice. It's like sailing in air conditioning. It's nice. Let's hope for a nice, uneventful ride to Oriental. Bob's track set up. Autopilot. Looking at our wind angles, maybe we can pop a sail later. My wife's texting. That's what she does. Earn her phone. No. It's a whole other relationship.
No, my sister's a retired teacher, but she's subbing, and she just texted me to say she's subbing for a 3rd grade class today. Nice. I'm telling her good luck, and I'm also telling her I can't wait to hear the stories, because as teachers we know what subbing is like.
Nice. Well, it's good to know that we picked the right day. It appears everybody else has got the same idea. Come mass migration to Oriental. All the boats going the same way. Got a power cat coming up behind us. Out in the Pamlico Sound, coming up on the Neuse River. It's blowing about 16 to 18. And we're going to come up here and then turn the corner and probably put a sail up and run down the Neuse River. Time now, coming up the Neuse River, heading towards Oriental, and got the wind behind us, and it's blowing about 20. Get some white caps back here. It's nice surfacing. We've actually seen over 8 knots, so that's pretty cool. It's just a reef jib out, and I got the motor going, but not any more than we normally would, so it's kind of fun. Covering a lot of ground quickly going into Oriental here on the Neuse River.
There it is. It's over there.
Where?
It's over. Oh, it just went in the front bedroom.
You can leave. I'll have to kill you.
And here you have the master hunter. Did you get him? Why use fly strips when you have a assault gun?
Shoots table salt. When we reached Oriental, we backed whiskey in at the Oriental Marina and Inn. As the sun set, the music started, and a huge party developed out behind the marina. We were pleasantly surprised when several of our viewers recognized whiskey and stopped by to introduce themselves. In the morning, we headed into Oriental to enjoy the Old Front Porch Music Festival, and the main stage and all the other homes surrounding the area that had live music from the front porches. There was food and drinks, and a lot of people turned out. It was really an incredible experience. So when we're ready, Shell, you're going to just give it a little push to get the nose out, okay? Get fired up. Go ahead and pull us over to that one, okay? Trying to smash my outboard, right?
Yeah. travels, guys. There we go. Pleasure to meet you guys. Yep. Safe travels.
Slower.
You don't want to put the name out?
No, there's a lot of work putting that out. Darlene going down the channel with her riggers out.
Maybe they're stuck.
No. Yeah.
That is a big seal.
Yeah, it's fat.
He's huge.
He's huge.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, well fed. Been hanging out by the restaurants.
Probably.
Yeah. So we're in Beaufort, and again, we're being held up by the weather. There's a nor'easter working up the coast, and we had to make a decision whether we get stuck here or we get stuck in Southport. We could have made the run outside today to Southport and easily been south of here and headed back towards Florida, but we decided to stay here because it's more affordable than Southport. So it's almost a week before we get an outside weather window before the waves are small enough and we can do that. So that's where we are. Again, being held by the weather. Guess that's that time of year.
We'll probably be here for about 3 to 4 days before we can head south. Hopefully soon.
Our goal is to run on the outside instead of going through South Carolina and Georgia. Maybe we'll run down to Southport on the inside. I mean, down to Southport on the inside if we have to, and then run from Southport to Charleston. But we want to make sure we do the outside trips because I don't want to go back through South Carolina and Georgia on the intercoastal.
No.
It's beautiful, but it's unnerving because it's so shallow and
Yes.
it's tricky with the tides and everything. If you look at our old videos, you'll see that.
And we want to sail.
And we want to sail.
We want to sail.
Want to get the offshore passages, so
Yeah.
that's where we are. We'll take some video here in Beaufort and show folks around, but right now we're just going to get some boat projects done, and maybe I'll film those and spend some time here. If you enjoyed the videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.